Hey guys, it's Mianne, and this is Beauty with Me. I have always been interested in DIY or do-it-yourself beauty. I started getting into it, I want to say in high school, and last year I did an entire skincare routine from scratch, and it got me thinking I should try to do this, but for hair. So I did. I interviewed NiKita Wilson. She is an amazing cosmetic chemist here in the tri-state area, and she taught me how to make my own shampoo, my own conditioner, my own hair mask, and my own dry shampoo. Hey guys, so I am here with NiKita Wilson.
Hello.
We go way back. I've interviewed her for so many stories before. Her brain is full of beauty knowledge. So I thought she'd be perfect to help me concoct my DIY hair care routine. I'm scared because my hair is color treated, and the thought of making something for my hair is really daunting.
The thing about DIY is everything is experimental. Always, 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 please, as a scientist, write down what you have done, because if you find that perfect formula and you don't remember what you did, you are going to be so mad at yourself. Let's go to the regular shampoo.
Okay. That seems difficult.
For your hair, well, I would probably say use the apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar is a great base for shampoo because it's clarifying, adds shine, and won't damage or alter my color-treated hair. I mixed 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 3 tablespoons of glycerin for hydration before adding 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil, which according to NiKita, helps seal the cuticle and moisturize the hair.
If you have really fine hair, skip the oil because it's only going to weigh it down. If you have really thick, coarse hair, then you want the oil because you want that extra moisturization. For a conditioner, you want something that's going to draw moisture in, our humectant, something like glycerin, and then you also want to seal it in.
For conditioner, I mixed 1 teaspoon of water with 3 tablespoons of glycerin to create a base. Then I added a bit of flaxseed oil and honey to the mixture to hydrate my hair.
What honey is, it also acts like kind of as a humectant, and it also draws moisture to the hair. Very sticky. You don't want to use a lot of it.
Moving on to mask.
Oils and butters kind of will be your mask base.
NiKita suggested I use a mixture of shea butter and cocoa butter as a base for my mask. I used 2 tablespoons of each, melted them in the microwave at 10-second intervals, and mixed glycerin and honey into the formula for extra hydration. So I also have vitamin E here.
Vitamin E is very good as an antioxidant. One, we spoke about antioxidants protecting color. Because we're using butters and oils, vitamin E is actually also very good for protecting the actual product itself.
I added 4 drops of the oil into my mixture, mixed it up, and I was good to go.
If you also wanted to make it a special treatment, right before you put it into your hair, take a little scoop of your mask, take a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Now you have an intensive protein treatment.
Oh, because of the protein from the egg.
Exactly.
Look at you moisturizing.
Yes. Can't waste this precious butter.
I know.
The benefit of a dry shampoo is it goes onto your scalp and the roots of the hair and it absorbs oil. So I would start with our Tapioca Starch.
Mix equal parts rice starch and tapioca starch in a bowl. On its most basic level, this concoction will do its job to keep your hair feeling fresh. But if you want to go the extra mile, add a few drops of tea tree oil and peppermint oil to the mixture. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and peppermint oil will give it a refreshing scent. So that was actually really easy.
It's easy. Dry shampoos, as complicated as they may seem, are the most simple that we're going to talk about today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This was fun.
I'll let you know how it goes. It's been a week of using products in my hair that these 2 hands have made. How did I feel about this experiment? I would say it was a good 50-50 split in terms of the products. So this is my hair air dried. My hair is actually a little bit more wavy than it normally is, and I think it is because of the shampoo and conditioner I've been using. So I've been using this shampoo, which is the apple cider vinegar based shampoo, and this is the one product that I had a lot of difficulty with.
It doesn't smell great. Oof, it's very liquidy. I'm just gonna put it in straight.
It was just going straight from my scalp and into my eyes, and it hurt so much.
My eye!
It made my hair feel really clean, really nice. My boyfriend Colin did say that it, quote, reeked.
What?
It reeks, dude.
Then I rinsed it out, and he said he couldn't smell it anymore. So, to be completely honest, I think this is the one item out of everything that I used this week that I probably wouldn't use again, just because it is such a pain to use, literally. Moving along to the conditioner.
Most conditioners feel very like smooth and creamy in the hair. This one doesn't really.
It kind of feels like you're putting like a gel in your hair almost, but my hair does feel normal, soft, good. I quite liked it. The hair mask. So I really enjoyed this hair mask. I did mix it with a spoonful of mayonnaise, like NiKita said, for protein. The idea of mixing this mask with mayonnaise and then putting it into my hair was a little disgusting at first, but once it's mixed together and it's in your hair, you don't really notice it.
Doesn't feel as smooth as a normal hair mask.
Because I was using melted butters, it did have a little bit of a grainy texture. And last but not least, the dry shampoo. So my hair is quite dry because it's color treated, so I don't need to wash my hair very often. I washed my hair, I think, twice this week, and then I used dry shampoo a couple of times in between. I did have to like really rub it into my hair to like get the white powder to kind of disperse through my roots. If you have brown or black hair, you could mix a little bit of cocoa powder into the formula so it's not so stark white. It absorbed oil, it smells good because I put the tea tree oil and the peppermint in it. So I really like this. I think I'm definitely gonna keep using it. That's it. I think I'm definitely gonna use up the mask just because, you know, there's only a little bit left and I did kind of like the way it made my hair feel. I did really enjoy the conditioner and I do think that this might have been the product that was making my hair curl a bit. Don't think I'm gonna keep using the shampoo though. You've seen the clips. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. Please let me know if you make any of these recipes down below in the comments. And if there are any other DIY recipes that you love or that you recommend, please let me know as well. And I will see you guys next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty with Me in the comments down below, and click here to subscribe to Refinery29. Click here to watch another video, and follow me on Instagram at mian.chan so we can hang out there too. Bye.